Hello everyone, this is Modal Test 1 with can and could. In this test, you're just going to fill in the blanks with can or could, and if you want to, you can go back to the video that I have already made on can and could for a review. But if not, let's go! Let's begin with the first one. And the answer is, I could speak Spanish when I was a child. We use could here because it's an ability in the past tense. So she could, when she was a child in the past, speak Spanish. Okay, number 2. And the answer is, he could have won the race if he had trained harder. In this case, he's talking about a possibility. And remember, if it's a possibility, we usually use could. Okay? And here's number 3. And the answer is, working long hours can be hazardous to your health. This is a general statement, and this is a time where we use can. So just remember, like in my other video, use can for general statements. All right, here's number 4. And the answer is, the first person says he's having a lot of problems with his car, but he doesn't have enough money to fix them. The second person says he could try to fix them himself. This is a suggestion, and when we use a suggestion, we use could. Next is number 5. And the answer is, can you please pass me the potatoes, Dad? This is a situation where the person is making a request. The situation is informal, they're at home, so you can use can here. Now, you can also use could to be more polite. Remember, can is informal, could is formal. Very polite. All right, here's number 6. And the answer is, could I get you something for dessert? This is a formal restaurant. Well, it's a formal situation. And the waiter says, could I get you something for dessert? He uses could because it's more polite than can. All right, number 7. And the answer is, can I help you with your bags? Now, if you look at the picture, it looks like they're friends. Maybe the person's trying to walk home with their grocery bags. So in this situation, it's informal, so we use can. Again, we could use could to be more polite, but normally we would use can here. All right, here's number 8. And the answer is, can I borrow a pen, please? In this situation, we have 2 friends. The one friend asks the other friend if they can borrow a pen. Can I borrow? They use can because it's informal. All right, here's number 9. And the answer is, I can run very fast. In this case, we're talking about ability in the present tense. So the cheetah is saying, I can run very fast. All right, we use can, ability, present tense. Got it? All right. Number 10. And the answer is, person number 1 says, I have to finish my report tonight, but I have to work late at my job. The second person suggests, you could ask your teacher for an extension. Suggestion, we use could. So just remember, suggestions, could. Now, number 11. And the answers are, the daughter says, Mom, your phone is ringing. Mom says, can you answer it? It could be your uncle. Well, in the first part of Mom's response here, she makes a request. Can you answer it? It's an informal situation. And then she says, it could be your uncle, which means she's talking about a possibility. And with possibilities, we use could. All right, here's the last one, number 12. And the answer is, can I get you something to eat? In this case, they're at home, and it's in an informal situation. They're offering to get something for this person to eat, so the person uses can. So I'll just say it one more time. Can is usually in an informal situation, and could is usually with a formal situation. Got it? All right. Okay, that's all for this video. How did you do? Did you get them all correct? Well, you might want to go back to my first video and look at it again. But either way, great job for trying this. So keep practicing, okay? See you next time.